In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how we can fix if the Windows Start menu is not working. So let's get started. So the first thing that we need to do is we need to open the Task Manager. So to open the Task Manager, right click on the taskbar. Again, you have to right click at the taskbar and select Task Manager. Maximize the Task Manager window, and in the search bar, simply type Explorer. Now you will find Windows Explorer. So what you can do, you need to make a right click and then select restart. So try restarting the Windows Explorer and see that it will fix the problem for you. For the next method, you need to press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. And here you need to type msconfig, the same thing as what you can see on the screen, and click on OK. And then the system configuration window will be up. So click on the boot tab. Now here you'll find Safe Boot. Click on that. Click on apply and click on yes and click on OK and click on the restart button. Now once you have restarted your window, then your Windows will be in a safe mode. So again, you have to press the Windows key and letter R button together to open the run window. The same thing, type msconfig. Click on OK. And then you have to go to the boot tab, and then to disable the safe boot, you have to uncheck this option. Click on apply, click on yes, and click on OK, and click on the restart button. Then for the next method, right click at this taskbar and then select Task Manager. Now maximize it. You'll find this option, Run New Task. Click on that and type in here CMD. Now check this box, create this task with administrative privileges, and click on OK. And the command prompt will appear. So type sfc space / scan now. sfc space / scan now, the same thing as what you can see on the screen. So this is the system file checker scan. Hit enter. This will scan for and fix any system corrupted files. So while the process is going on, do not close the window, and once this is 100% completed, close this window and close out of here, and then press the Windows key, and then you have to make a right click on the power button and select restart. For the next method, you have to press the Windows key and click on the settings. Here in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on System, scroll down and look for Recovery. Now here you'll find the option Reset this PC. Click on Reset PC button. Now you have to choose your option if you want to keep your files or remove everything. So if you want to keep your files, this will remove apps and settings but keeps your personal files. If you want to go with remove everything, this will remove all your personal files, apps, and settings. So it's up to you. You can go with any of this, and you just need to follow the next instruction. You can go with cloud download if you are connected to an internet connection, but if not, you can go with local reinstall. Then you just need to proceed to the next button, and that will reset your PC and that will fix the issue for you. So that's it. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.